Hey everyone, my name is Desiree. For my week 6 technique demonstration, I will be showing you how to do a chakra meditation. So, chakra meditation is important because it helps to cleanse and balance all of your energy by going through each of the 7 chakras. So, you also learn how to control and restore your energy, which in turn will help you have more energy, sleep better, and hopefully reduce stress. So the 7 chakras are the crown, which is the top of your head, the third eye, your throat, your heart, your solar plexus, which is above your belly button, the sacrum, which for this purpose is right at or below your belly button, and then the root, which is at the base of your tailbone. So for this meditation, you sit in a traditional style. So my legs are crossed, and when I start the meditation, I have my fingers together and placed on top of my knees just to help ground myself and help the energy flow. So, chakra meditation is a lot of self guided breathing and picturing in your head or your mind's eye. In order to realign each chakra, you want to picture each one turning clockwise, and that corrects and controls the flow of energy. So you can also do each chakra individually, like if you have one that's blocked or overactive, or you could start at the top and go all the way down to complete that meditation. So there's 2 different types of the meditation. So for my video, I will be going through starting at the crown, ending at the root, and that just helps me kind of feel grounded, balance myself, and that way I know each one is completed. So you do want to remember where each one is. That way you can, like I said, picture it in your head. And yeah, so first we'll go over some of the breathing. So I know for yoga there are different kind of breathing techniques. This one, when you take a deep breath, you want to really hold it in your stomach and sit up straight before letting it out. So when you do that, I just do a couple of breaths for each chakra, and it's also a good idea to close your eyes just to kind of have less distractions. And I do mine in quiet, but you can have music playing if that helps you to focus. And you also want to kind of picture, not only are you picturing the chakras, but you want to have yourself in a good mind space. So your happy place, for lack of a better term. So let's say I just want to be at the beach, or I feel happy at the beach. That's where I'm going to picture myself in order to have my energy flow how I want it to flow. So we're going to start, like I said, at the crown. My hands are placed on my knees. I'll close my eyes and take a breath. Moving on to my third eye chakra, and feel free to follow along. Into the throat chakra. And again, make sure you're controlling that energy, picturing it flowing in a clockwise motion. We're moving to the heart chakra. and then the solar plexus. Okay. The sacrum. And finally, the root. So when you're done, I just take my palms and put them on my knees. You can uncross your legs if you want. And it's recommended that you go calmly back into your day. So at whatever point you stop to do this, go back into whatever you're doing with a calm mind and an energized spirit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you found this as interesting as I did. You can definitely research more on the chakras and what they each mean, what they're each connected to, and hopefully learn some more information like I did. Thanks.